sing. The last of the three antiphons they sing is the Corpora Sanctorum. The bodies of the saints have been buried in peace. Their names will live in eternity. This is a very ancient antiphon in the church, which was sung in this sacred language on the tombs of the martyrs themselves when the early Christians buried them in the catacombs.
There His Excellency, Bishop Bruskewitz, places the bones of Saints Peter and Paul, as well as Saint Clement, into the altar, the main altar of the church. Now the cement which the bishop is using to seal the relics in the altar is actually a special mixture that has been blessed. In addition to the components of just regular cement that is used in masonry, it also has the Gregorian water, which was used to sprinkle the church. That Gregorian water is a special holy water which contains blessed ashes and many exorcisms. So the actual seal will be put in place using this special blessed and exorcised cement to seal the relics in the altar, again expressing the purity of their sacrifice, the holiness of their life.
The bishops and co-consecrators are assisted by professional masons, not the kind who persecute the church, but the kind who are builders of homes and buildings, to make sure that the sealing of the relics is done in as complete and proper a way as possible, since these relics will be here as long as the church stands. The next part of the ceremony will be the anointing of the rondelles, round crosses that are painted into the walls of the church in 12 locations to represent the intercession and the holy presence of the 12 apostles, as well as the fulfillment in them of the 12 tribes of Israel in the Old Testament. The bishop climbs on a kind of special device or ladder in order to get up to the height of them, and then he prays that through the intercession of Saints Peter and Paul and all of the saints and all of the holy apostles, the church may be truly blessed and dedicated to the worthy service of God in the holy sacrifice of the Mass and the celebration of the other sacraments. And then a votive candle is put in place by one of the masters of ceremony. Now the consecration of the church, properly so called, has been completed, and so the bishop will be going into the sacristy to exchange the vestments he's been wearing during the imposition of the relics and the consecration of the altars, to exchange those vestments for those which are proper to the holy sacrifice of the Mass.